Hi guys, this is Gregor from PreSonus, and it's my honor here at GearFest 2021 to give you an introduction to PreSonus Sphere. PreSonus Sphere is our membership platform that includes everything that we do at PreSonus Software, including Studio One 5 Professional, Notion 6, as well as every other version that we're going to do in the future, our award-winning plugin libraries, instruments, and so much more. So this is really a fantastic offer, especially for people who might not have spent $1,000 on their instrument libraries and plugin collections already, because these are all included in this one very low monthly subscription already. And not just that, but you also get masterclasses, exclusive live streams where you can ask all of your questions every month. You get amazing collaboration and workspace functionalities where you can share your mixes with friends or collaborators. You can discuss all of your recent changes directly within the waveform, and you can share that easily with anyone, even if they don't have an active PreSonus Sphere subscription. So let's head over to sphere.presonus.com and run through the onboard process together so that you get an idea of the experience. If you don't have a My PreSonus account with us already, then go ahead and create your brand new PreSonus Sphere account. Alternatively, you can convert your existing My PreSonus account, and any products you already purchased are going to stay your own, of course. So once you enter the product key that you can get from Sweetwater.com, you can already see all of the products that are included in your plan. Like I said, it's not just Studio One Professional and Notion, but all PreSonus plugins. That includes the Console Shapers, the Fat Channel XT, our Empire collections, plus all the sample and instrument libraries you're ever going to need. So with the PreSonus Sphere membership, you don't just get the access to the DAW you need, but also to everything else, all the tools you need for an entire music career. So once you entered the product key, you will be redirected to the brand new front page of PreSonus Sphere. Also got done just in time for GearFest. And yeah, as you can see, there's exclusive video content right here. You see the news and updates, the special events, the live streams that are only accessible to our PreSonus Sphere members. And you see the workspaces, which I'm going to discuss in just a sec. The product category, where you can download all of your products straight away. As you can see, it's a massive list of instruments, sample libraries, and so forth. And you also see the Exchange collection, which is very interesting because this is a bunch of PreSonus affiliated artists, and they have basically made their favorite effects chains, instruments, and so forth accessible to other users for download. So this is also something that you have access to as a PreSonus Sphere member. Once you've activated Studio One Professional on your computer, you have up to 5 activations with PreSonus Sphere that you can manage completely by yourself. You can deregister or register new devices on the fly, and this gives you the ultimate flexibility. So let me give you a quick example of all the amazing workspace and collaboration features that we have built straight into Studio One. With all the tools that PreSonus Sphere provides and the modular synths that you see here, I have created a little beat. And let's say that I want to share that with a fellow bandmate or collaborator. Then I can just go to Song, Export Mixdown, and then give that a name, for example, modular beat, and then choose as publishing option, upload to PreSonus Sphere. As soon as I do that, I can hit OK. And you can see how the WAV file is being exported in this case and uploaded straight to the server. Now I can choose the workspace where I want to add this file. Let's go for this one because that's the name of my project. Hit upload, and as you can see, it starts right away. And once it's done, I'll actually be able to access this straight from Studio One's browser. So I just go to the Clouds tab, I go to the respective workspace, and there it is. There's my file. I can pre-audition that right from here. I can even pre-audition that in a different song tempo on the fly from Studio One. And if I want to access the file directly on the Sphere website to use the amazing share options and commenting features, then I simply click on the file right here. It's going to take me straight to the server. And here you basically see the rendered waveform of what I just played to you. I can hit play from here. Can pause and add a comment like sounds pretty groovy, right? And now you can see how this comment appears at the exact timestamp here. Kind of a feature that you might know from SoundCloud, but I love the way this is integrated. Directly from this page, I'm also able to instantly create a public link and share that with anybody inside or outside of PreSonus Sphere. And they will be able to use and access all of these features as well. So contact your Sweetwater sales engineer today to get your copy of PreSonus Sphere. Thank you so much for your attention, and see you next time.